Ford is going to 100% online fixed price sales for EVs.
Oh.
CEO Jim Farley says direct delivery, zero negotiation, and fully online transactions are necessary for the brand's EV business. Just like Tesla.
Yeah, and what happens to dealerships?
You're saying they're pissed?
No, I'm saying
they are.
Yeah, they are pissed. But
yeah,
like, what's their value?
Well, they're going to say, well, you can still sell the gas cars. But yeah, no, I mean, you're phasing out. They're showrooms. They become showrooms.
Okay.
I mean, you still might want to see the thing. Did you go look at a physical Bronco when you were interested?
Yes.
And it's kind of nice to actually look at it, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so I think some people are still going to want to do that. I don't know how the business model will work. How does the dealer get cut in? Fixed price, less room for negotiation. You still end up ordering it online. You're probably going to have fewer showrooms, aren't you?
Yeah.
Dealer's going to be pissed. They might have to go more into the used market.
Oh, interesting.
You can't. It's harder to do the used market online.
Yeah.
Because then you really got to inspect it.
Yes, you do. You got to drive it.
You make sure everything is sorted out.
On the up and up.
Ford brand will transition to exclusively online fixed price delivered to your door sales for EVs. We've got to go to non-negotiated price. We've got to go 100% online. There's no inventory at dealerships. It goes directly to the customer in 100% remote pickup and delivery, he said during Bernstein's annual Strategic Decisions Conference. It's got to be tough to come out as a CEO and say things like this because...
Big move.
Well, you're going to get some heat coming back at you. Like, this dealer network is strong and large. They're going to hear some news like that. They're going to feel like Mo just did. What happens to me? Right?
No, I was just curious about the dealerships.
I know, and I'm saying you're right. What happens to me?
Right.
So you come out and say that as a CEO of the company, you're going to take some heat back. But if you believe that it's the necessary step, you come out and you say it.
Right, yeah.
Talk to your investors. You say, this is the way we got to go.
But it's only for EVs, right?
No, I know, but the brand is going to go almost exclusively EV eventually.
Isn't it pure EV by 2030?
You know what they say, Will? They say the writing is on the wall.
Oh, yeah. No kidding. I get it.
I mean, they say it. I don't ever say it, but they do.
Yeah. I wonder if dealerships are just going to close down.
Oh, they're cashing in right now.
No, but that's the thing about it.
Since it could be saturated in some states, right?
But the thing about it is, how long before these companies, when it comes to EVs, are capable of catching up to the actual demand? Like, you've been waiting 17 years for the Bronco, 22 for the Tesla. I ordered a Cybertruck when I was 14 years old.
Yes.
So it's the dealer occupies a space now where they kind of can broker deals for people who want things. It's really weird right now. But it's not to say that it's not providing a service. It is. Somebody wants something, they can sort it out for you, but they have no inventory. Everything's spoken for way in advance, and it actually kind of, their jobs are strange right now. So if you could shift it around in such a fashion where they could manage these showrooms and just facilitate orders online, but you could still physically see the thing, talk to experts, etc., it could be cool.
Okay.
It could be cool. But never mind, as everyone is ordering custom now, and you probably, I don't know if you went to one of those showrooms that has the Bronco specific section.
Dude, I couldn't even see any Broncos. There was only one Bronco, and the dude picked it up when I was there. There was no show floor Broncos.
Okay, so what they wanted to do before it got crazy in Bronco land and it became the hottest car ever, they were going to do dedicated Bronco showrooms. And we talked about it on the show. It would be the whole motif. You can find pictures of it, and you would pick all the various elements that you would want. You could see all the trim levels and texture. You could touch the texture of the seat type that you were going to get. Look at these things. Mo, take a look. I mean, it looks like
a store just for Broncos.
Look like a Starbucks over here.
It does look like a Starbucks.
I feel like I'm about to get a coffee and a cookie over here.
It looks like a milestone as well.
Yeah. I mean,
Montana.
But imagine a guy like Will walking into a place like that.
Yeah, it's where he belongs.
and he's gonna order up his Bronco. Isn't that an exciting idea to watch him do that? So here's the thing: they can serve a purpose. They're gonna have to shift a little bit. Maybe you do have to serve me a coffee and a tea.
But then, how much can they upcharge? You know what I mean?
Maybe you have to do that. Well, the service will still going to be there. Maybe they might up it because it's all about the experience now.
Yeah.
Than just to cut a deal.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. It's about the experience of the brand. And think about it. Cars are unusual with the negotiations compared to other things you buy. Like, imagine you go into the Apple store to negotiate. You get arrested. Yeah. The security comes, takes you out right away.
Right this way,
you get arrested.
Yeah. You're like. Let me speak to your manager. I want 15% off this iPhone right here. They're like, what? Like, let me talk to the sales manager. Let me talk to the leasing department. They're like, yeah, you're in the wrong place, dude. But no, there was something fun about negotiating.
Oh, like haggling a price
on car. Yeah, it's something fun about it. It would be sad to see that completely be gone. It'll still exist in the used car market.
Used cars.
It will still exist. But eventually, yeah, probably everything goes online. You get fancy showrooms. You have fewer of them. Consolidation of dealers. It's going to be interesting to see. You still have service.
Right.
A lot of them tend to lean into service. What about accessories and things like this? We're talking about that new project we're going to do. Look at the accessory market. It's underserviced. I want something. I can't go see those items.
Yeah, you're right.
Pick up, just pivot. Do me a favor and pivot. Not you. Oh, he just pivoted.